Let's make brown butter soy garlic spaghetti from my cookbook, Indulgent Eats at Home. First thing you want to do is obviously boil your water for the pasta. I like to actually do this in a skillet. By doing it in a skillet, it'll take a little less time for the water to boil, especially if you're only making 1 or 2 servings. And it also makes the pasta water starchier so that when you emulsify it all together at the end, you get that super, super glossy sauce that you want in pasta. These are soy garlic noodles after all, so you want to have a lot of garlic. Also, shout out to Nacional Blade Works for this gorgeous knife. It's actually handcrafted in the Philippines. For garnish, I like to use fresh chopped parsley. Could also use scallions if you want. I just like how the parsley kind of reminds me more of like an Italian pasta dish. It really brings through those like Asian meets Italian flavors of this pasta. All right, so now it's time to brown our butter and melt it, but you want to reserve a little bit for later. You want to do this in a light colored pan, that way you can actually see what's going on with the butter. And you'll see that it'll first foam. You can see it's foaming. It's nice and foamy, and as it cooks, the milk solids will actually drop to the bottom and become this nice toasty brown, which you can see here, and it smells incredible. It has this like nutty aroma. So once you get that, add your cold butter in to help it stop from cooking, along with all of your garlic. Oh, it smells so good. Sauce mixture. Wow. Gonna also add some crushed red pepper. And then we're just gonna remove this from heat while we wait for our pasta to finish. Save yourself a bowl and take the pasta straight from the pan and add it to your brown butter soy garlic sauce. What's good about doing this is you want that starchy pasta water. So I'm gonna pour a little in, and it's gonna emulsify with your brown butter garlic sauce. And this is also why you want to undercook your pasta a little bit, because it will cook more when you have it in the pan. Oh, it's looking great. It's basically done. You don't have to do anything else. And if you use like a vegan butter, for example, and vegetarian oyster sauce, you can make this vegan. But this is the point where I like to go in with Parmigiano Reggiano. And oh man, just how good does that look? Also want to season it with some fresh ground pepper. Oh, it smells amazing. Look. Just give it a little twirl, get all those garlic bits, and now you can understand why we want, why we want to use a lot of garlic. You have your big bowl of pasta, top it with some fresh parsley, Parmigiano. Oh, I just love how it melts. And there you have it, brown butter soy garlic spaghetti. How gorgeous. Okay, let's try it. I've had this a lot at this point. I know it's delicious, but it's just so good. It has so much umami. A little bit of heat and spice. You have that subtle cheesiness from the Parmigiano. Delicious. Garlic noodles. So good. So if you want this recipe, make sure to get my cookbook, Indulgent Eats at Home, and make sure to hit like and subscribe for more previews from my cookbook. See ya!